So why don't we just start by stopping? So just want you to find a comfortable but wakeful posture, sitting, lying, or even standing up. So right off the bat, checking in on what would be most wise, skillful, compassionate for you, even just to set up your body. Embodying a sense of checking in rather than checking out. And we'll start by stopping. So allowing yourself to just come into some semblance of stillness. Allowing your body to begin to settle here. Allowing your eyes to find a comfortable position, maybe closed, maybe half lidded. And then just gently scanning your body for a moment and seeing if you can allow any places of tension just to ease ever so slightly. Releasing some of the rigidness that builds up over the course of a day and weeks and months and over a year of a really challenging, uncertain time. And sometimes what helps to even soften a little bit even deeper is just to take a couple of deep breaths and really slowing down that breath, taking an intentional inhale, filling the belly, expanding through the ribs and feeling the chest rise at the last bit. And following that with a longer, slower, deeper exhale, releasing, releasing, letting be. And taking that same type of breath a couple more times at your own pace, in your own way. This intention of letting go. And then gradually allow your breath to find a more effortless breathing pattern. And as we're quieting down, as we're coming into stillness, I want you to just gently observe and check in if there's anything that you've brought with you. Maybe it's a to-do list, maybe it's where you were just at, or plans for later. Just observing. You don't even need to do anything about it, but often when we notice, I have this thing with me, I'm thinking this, I'm thinking that, just the calling it out almost softens the edges around it, almost releases it without as much fight or effort. Also observing if there's some things I don't necessarily want to leave. That's okay too, just making space for it all. And as we're a couple minutes in, observing how your body feels now. Did any tension come back? If so, what happens to it when you've noticed it? Is there more calm and ease in your body? There's no right answer, just seeing what is happening right now in this moment. And gently observing thoughts coming, maybe staying for a while, and just seeing if you can let them pass on by, just like clouds in a sky. They come in our view for a bit, but they just keep floating by, and we don't let ourselves get kind of carried away by those clouds. We stay grounded. Same principle applies to observing thoughts. It's like we're just watching them without getting pulled in and letting them go on their own accord. As you're observing all of this, you might also be noticing some feeling undertones, or maybe they're strong feelings. Similarly, with thoughts or tensions in our body, just simply noticing, not needing to judge or analyze or fix or change it, just creating a little bit of space. Now, with that same observing mind, seeing if you can find one point to focus on, to anchor with. It might be the sensations of your breath, it might be sounds in your environment, or it might be the dance of sensations you feel in your body. But taking this kind of bigger view and honing it in one point, and as best as you can, just seeing if you can settle your mind there. And when it wanders away or gets distracted, it's not a problem. You just notice, call it out. And with that calling out, it almost doesn't even take much effort to come back to your point of focus. It's the awareness of noticing that creates the shift and the change. And as we come towards the end of this opening practice, I invite you to clear or form a clear intention for being here. What is your why for being here? You might think, I will feel calm and peaceful, or I will remain present and open, or I will be patient and kind to myself, whatever matters to you. Allow that intention to inform how you show up, how you proceed into your next moment. So as you're ready, if eyes are closed, I'll invite you to blink them back open. Just reorienting yourself with the space that you're in.